So let's say somebody gets a blister on the end of their toe or in the middle of their toe. You put this little toe condom on, and that way you reduce the shear forces and the not even a blister, but like a hot spot. It makes it so it doesn't become a blister. And that's kind of what this is as well. This is an ERGO patch, but what it is you can see it basically, if you start to get a hot spot here or on the side or on the bottom, you put this in before it becomes a problem, and it reduces the shear forces. Shear forces causes blisters, not necessarily just friction. So yeah, keep your shoes dry as much as you can, but if you have too many shear forces, you start to get those blisters, and these will help you prevent them, which is great. But if you do get the blister, throw the compeed on, maybe tape it up, right, a couple of different kinds of tape, and then of course cream for hydrocortisone if you get like irritated. And then before I put on any tape, we'll use a little Neosporin and a island patch. And of course, if you get any scrapes or bruises or whatever, this will be good for that.